It is Friday morning. I had yesterday off. I've got Sunday off for my birthday. Yesterday we cleaned a little bit and did some grocery shopping. Tried to get enough groceries so we don't have to go to the store in the next few weeks because of all crap that's going on. We made a cake for my birthday, and the cake recipe actually called for 1 box of cake, but we didn't know that, so we made 2 boxes on accident and made a giant cake. It's huge, but it's delicious. Because of all the stuff that's going on, I don't know if we're gonna have a ton of stuff to do. We got projects to do, but I don't know if we have all the equipment we need for it. And Jeanette's place of work shut down, so she's out of a paycheck for I don't know how long. So we gotta save our money. Non-essential things are not gonna be purchased. Alright, so we are gonna work on finishing that blue dresser we have. Those are the drawers. It's sitting upstairs. We just need to seal it, put a protective coat over it. But we don't have the money. We have the money, but we're not going to spend, like I said, extra money on random things until all this stuff blows over and Jeanette can get back to work. But so we aren't going to be able to get good drawer pulls for this. So we're going to finish this and put on some extra knobs that we have sitting around the house, so we can use the thing, but we won't be posting the video until we can get the proper knobs, because we want some good knobs to go with this. And right now all we have are like knobs you get from Walmart, like these things, and we don't even have full matching sets of stuff, so it'll be all mismatched. But as long as we can use it, I guess, because we could use the space upstairs in our kitchen or dining room. So that's what we're doing right now. So we got the first protective coat on everything. We got to wait 2 hours before we can sand them and reapply. So we're gonna do some other stuff. This room in here, right behind me, quite messy. And at one point this shelf right here and the pegboard all served a purpose and was functional and looked good when I had my desk there, and I sort of used this as the camping gear and work area. But now that I'm not using that, it's a waste of space. So we got to take that shelf off, take all the pegboard down, and I want to put these things sort of to wrap around. So we've got extra shelving over there. So I think I'm going to get into that right now. All of it's gone. Now when we get the chance, we'll buy wood and build some more shelving here. But now we're just going to stack everything we had along the wall. So Saturday night we're going to have a few select people over to our house. Everyone's healthy. We're all going to stay 6 feet away from each other the entire time. And we're going to have a little get together down in the basement. If you don't know, our work table is a pool table. So we got to take care of this entire basement. Cleaning everything out. And dusting again, top to bottom, because we sanded. And look at this. We just cleaned, what was it, 2 weekends ago? Oh, you can't even see that. There you go. Everything's covered in dust like that. So again, another cleaning of the basement. But I'm not going to record it. Get everything out of here. And it's all there. Well, we scrounged around and found pretty much all the drawer pulls we had. And they don't all match. We got some silver ones, we got some bronzy ones, and some dark ones. Step back. Step back. Alright, we just spent 4 hours cleaning up here. Cleaning all our glassware that's downstairs in the bar area. We got our dresser filled with stuff. Now, I think we're gonna relax for a little while. Got everything put back in its place. Gotta varnish this and those, resin those. Didn't make it very far on this ottoman. On either of the ottomans, but that's okay. We honestly didn't do a whole lot this weekend, just spent a ton of time cleaning. Not recording a whole lot either. But, well, we'll see if I even have enough for a vlog this weekend. Try and edit some of this stuff down, which is what I'm going to do right now. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next vlog.